Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by setting up. Clear workspace, good light, and tools in reach. This prevents dropped parts. Remove the keycap and reveal the stabilizer housing. Once done, steady the bar with your thumb to stop twisting. Use a Phillips #0 or #00 and place the tip squarely in the screw head. Turn slowly counterclockwise in short, controlled increments to avoid stripping. Make sure to keep a finger near the housing, seam, so the stabilizer stays aligned as the screw backs out. Once the screw starts to move, continue with steady quarter turns because rapid force can cam the head or strip threads. Make sure to support the stabilizer plate from below. That prevents warping or misalignment when the screw comes free. If access is tight, angle a small flat driver behind the head to guide it out. As the screw loosens, be ready with tweezers or your tray. Catching it immediately prevents it from falling into the case where retrieval becomes much harder. When the screw clears the housing, extract it slowly so it doesn't snag internal parts. Then inspect the head and threads for wear, replace if rounded. Reposition the stabilizer bar and wire into their grooves, then thread the screw back in by hand to ensure alignment. Tighten gently until snug. Excessive torque will deform the housing and bind the key. Finally, test the key travel. If you feel binding or uneven feel, back off 1/4 turn and realign.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.